Yeah, find the equation.
And we find out that y-intercept. So y-intercept is -6.
Hmm.
So C is -6. Now first we find out the gradient.
Hmm.
Now we're just gonna get any 2 points.
So what are the x1, y1, and y2, x? The 2 points, whichever you are selecting, it should be very clear point. You can select this point. It's very clear. You can select this point, a clear point. You can select this point, clear points. Other than this, there is nothing. These are the 3 points you can select. So which 2 ones you will select?
-3 and 1 and 2 and 0.
Okay, 2, 0. Okay, so how the equation is going to come for m?
So y2 is gonna be -3 -3 minus 0.
-3 minus 0.
2 minus 1.
Right, 2 minus 1.
Yeah.
See where you are going wrong is here. So you said 3 minus
What?
3 is
0
0.
minus 3. 0 minus 3.
0. Right, okay. In that case, you had to put 0 minus 3. Yes, correct.
0 minus 3.
0 minus 3. That means you selected this as y2 or y1, this as y2, this as x1, this as x2. So that's how you have to think. Okay. So here, what's the answer you're getting?
0 minus 3 is gonna be +3. And 2
Hmm.
minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 3.
Yeah, 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Answer is 3. So what is our equation?
Equal
Equation to the line.
y equals to 3x plus -6.
Match each equation in the table. It is a correct graph. Write the letter of the graph in the table. Which one is y equals 2 here in this A, B, C, D, E, F? Which of the equation is y equals 2?
It's graph
No,
C.
what
X.
is this I'm asking? This is x equals 2, right? Where x,
Oh, actually, graph D is y equal to 2.
this is y equals 2. So graph D, y equals x, which one it is? If it is the one, like, okay, here equals 0, 0, correct. Y and x coordinates are equal. Now, if you take this point, what is this point is called? 2, comma, -2, right? Y and x are equal or not in this? They are not equal. See, y, this x is +2, y is -2.
Oh, it's graph F.
Graph F, where, right, you can see here -2 -2, +2 +2. So
And then graph
this is the one.
graph E is
X plus y equals 2. Y equals -x plus 2. C is going to be 2.
yeah,
So we can think here C is going to be 2. C is going to be
yeah,
2. 2 places C is going to be 2 here, right? We have
yeah.
A and E just competing for one answer. And then we have M equals -1, which we are going to select. We have two answers for that. This one and this one. We need to select which is correct.
That one's -2 and that's 2. But that A one is 2 and 2. It's positive. A is positive, but E is not positive. One is negative, one's positive.
Okay. Right. First one, C, I got C is correct. For both of them, C is correct. Okay. Because
Yeah.
y equals -x plus 2. But M is -1. Gradient is -1. Which is correct? A or E? If you can remember the graph when we studied, we said the graph is going like this, something like this. All these are positive. That means M is positive. In these all, whatever you get, M will be positive on this. That means M equals +1, +5, +2, or plus whatever it is. In this, if the graph goes like this, in this way, M is minus. I can prove that how it comes, but just remember. So which one we our answer is going to be? E or A? Yellow ones are going to be m equals -1, m equals -2, or m equals -5, yellow ones, because it's slanted the other side. And the the pink one is going to be m plus values. So because m is -1 here, so -1 means it has to be slanted onto the left side, right, this way.
Yeah.
So which one is going to be that, A or E?
A.
A is the one, right? So always you remember gradient. We were thinking, we were telling about this. See,
Yeah.
we said here gradient is this one. We start from x. We start from measuring the angle from x-axis, and this is less than 90 degrees. We said less than 90 degrees. We said the gradient is positive. When it is to be measured from x-axis, this is more than 90 degrees. This is more than 90 degrees. Then we said it is going to be negative. So this is the one. So A. Okay. In this question, shade the region that satisfies all these inequalities. How do you do this one? Shade
X,
the region.
Y is greater than 1.
Mm.
So we'll just draw a line on 1 and Y.
Y
Right.
equals 1. Okay. Y equals 1. Can we try drawing? Yeah. Okay. Y equals 1 is going to be like this. Is it correct? Y equals 1?
No.
Right. It's not correct. So it's going to be like this.
Yeah.
We will try to shade this. Y greater than 1. So which side we have to shade? Y is greater than 1 means this is y equals 1 line. These lines, if you take here y equals 2, y equals 3, here y equals 4, here y equals 5, here y equals 6, these lines down whatever you get, y equals -1, y equals 0, y equals -3. So which side is going to be? So if you're drawing this one,
Y equals
so
2, 1. The right side.
here, so this is the shaded area, right?
Yeah.
One more thing you have to consider on this. They said great, y is greater than 1. We can think y is greater than or equal to. What is the difference between these two?
That says Y is greater than or equal to 1.
So what's the difference now? How to do the difference in drawing? When you're drawing, you have to draw on dotted line. The line y equals 1 has to be drawn on dotted line. It's not continuous line. It's a dotted line you have to draw. Right? Then shade the one. This is how y is greater than 1. Y equals greater than or equal to 1 means you can draw a continuous line. All right. Okay. Now x plus y is less than 5. How do you draw this one? First you find out x plus y equals 5 line is which line is going to be. So I just can check y equals minus x plus 5. Just rearrange and I get this line first. So y equals this one, as I said. So if you're drawing this one, C is 5, so it's going to go through this one, and m is going to be -1. So how it's going to be? It's going to be like this way it's going to be, right? I just draw. Before that, you need to find out another point to draw this line. So I have one point. Another point means I can think of when y equals 0. Y equals 0, what is x? So y equals 0, I just substitute here. Substitute minus x plus 5. So x, I'm changing to the other side. Y equals x equals 5. So when y equals 5, sorry, 0, x equals 5. So mark that guy here. So these two lines I need to connect. These 2 points I need to connect. Then I can draw my graph. This is my graph is going to be y equals, sorry, this one. x plus y equals 5. This is equal line, huh? So if it is this one is less than or 5, then I have to have it a dotted line. So I have just draw a dotted line. You can keep the ruler and draw that. So I didn't draw it straight properly. Right, it's going to be like this. Then how to get this one? X plus y is less than 5.
The x and the 5 is just
How do you
it
get
just
that
goes
one?
to the x. It just
Hmm?
goes to the x and it just goes to the x and y. So we just draw like a line of it like that, like shade it shade it like that. The same way shaded the other one, but it's on
This
diagonal.
is less than 5. Okay. This is less than 5. Now just check. I'm going to check
Yeah,
one
you,
point.
you shave it on you do it on the other side, the opposite side of the top. You do it on the bottom side.
Yeah,
Like,
right. I'll just check this point. I'm just checking this point.
yeah.
Here 3, x is 3, y is 5. Together, x plus y is going to be 8. Right? Together 8. But it should be less than 5. It should not be more than 5. So this place is not going to come. This is wrong. If I take one more example here, I'll take this example. X equals 1, y equals 2. Right? X equals 1, y equals 2 means 1 comma 2. Add 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is less than 5, right? 1 and 2 is 3, is less than 5. So it's going to be like this, right?
Yeah.
So next one is y equals this guy. How to draw that one? Y is greater than 2x. So I need to just draw y equals 2x line. How to draw y equals 2x line?
So basically,
If you want to draw
uh,
any line, first
so
thing
we
you get 2 points to draw. 2 points and just connect that. So when x equals 0, y is going to be how much? If you substitute here, when x equals 0, y equals 0 also,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
So I got 1 point. So 1 point I know here. Another point I need. When x equals, uh, I'll take x equals 2. I can take any point. When x equals 2, y is how much? I'll put
when
2
x
here.
equals to 2,
Huh? I put 2 here, x equals
y
2.
equals
2 into 2 is how
y
much?
equals to 2 as well.
Y
Y
equals
equals to 2 as
4.
well.
Y equals 4. I'll just put 2 here for this x. So 2 into 2 is 4, right? Y equals 4, right?
Yeah,
Is it okay? When
yeah.
x equals 0, y equals 0, because 0 only I can put. When x equals 2, this is the equation I have, 2x. When x equals 2 means I'll put this guy, y equals 2 into 2. X I'm going to put 2, no? So 4, that's why I
Yeah.
got 4, this 4. So when x equals 2, y equals 4. So when x equals 2, y equals 4. So that is this point. So my equation, this one is going to be like this. Something nearby this, yeah? Right. So it has to be dotted line. I don't draw a dotted line because if I erase it and draw, it's just sometimes it's not clear. So I'm not erasing and doing. So
That's fine.
now which side you have to do, mark this shade y greater than 2x.
The other side, opposite side.
Let's check. Take any point. I'll take this point. I'll take this point. I'll take this point. This point, if I take 2, 4, comma 3, 4 comma 3, y is greater than 2x. So they are saying y should be, this y is greater than 2x. 2x is going to be, x is 4, 2x is going to be 8. Is it correct? This side? No, it's 3. 2x is
Yeah.
going to be 8. Is it correct?
Yeah.
If you take any point here, this side, I'll take this point, okay? Another example. This point I'll take. 1, 4. See, 1, 4 I'll take. Y and 2x. 2x is going to be 2. Here y is 4. Which is great? 2 or 4? Which side is bigger? 4 is bigger, right? So this side is fixing. This side is, if you take the line here, this side I have and this side I have. So to which side I have to color? You need to think, right? If you think this side or that side, this side I just proved it. So you can draw, you can just mark this side. All right. Okay, this is how it's. They are the shared region that satisfy all inequalities. That means the question is about this one. Right, okay. We have just shown, we have seen what the areas are going to be.
Yeah.
Can we go to the next one?
Yeah.
Write down one thing that is wrong with Bogan's graph. What is wrong with Bogan's graph?
Oh, so basically, you see how it's on like the graph is uneven.
Should be a smoother graph. It should be not a straight line like this. It should not be connected with
Or
a straight
curve,
line.
curve graph.
It's like a curved line. It has to go like this. It should be a nice curved graph. It should not be a straight line one. That's what we have to check. Okay. Correct. See that for correct mathematical comment, example line segment not curve, that is correct. Or should draw freehand, or should not use a ruler, or should be a curve. All these are correct
Correct.
answers. Note: do not accept statements about scale or plotting accuracy.